In a world where luscious locks are often seen as a symbol of beauty and confidence, the quest for hair growth can feel overwhelming. Many people search for effective solutions to combat thinning hair or promote growth. What if there were natural remedies that could transform hair health? Enter castor oil and rosemary, two powerhouse ingredients that have captured the attention of beauty enthusiasts everywhere. Imagine waking up to thicker, healthier hair. What if the secret lies in your kitchen cabinet? Castor oil, rich in retinoic acid, is known for its ability to nourish hair follicles and promote growth. But how does it work? This oil penetrates deeply into the scalp, providing essential nutrients that stimulate hair growth from the roots. Now let's not forget rosemary. This aromatic herb isn't just for cooking. It's a potent ally for hair health. Studies suggest that rosemary oil can improve circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair follicles to thrive. But there's more to this story. What happens when these two ingredients are combined? Before diving deeper, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Engaging with the content helps spread the word about these incredible remedies, allowing more people to discover the benefits of castor oil and rosemary. The synergy of castor oil and rosemary creates a nourishing elixir that can transform hair care routines. The combination not only promotes growth but also adds shine and reduces breakage. Picture this: a simple DIY hair mask that harnesses the power of these two ingredients. To create this magical concoction, mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with a few drops of rosemary essential oil. This blend is easy to make and can easily fit into anyone's beauty routine. Massage this mixture into the scalp, allowing it to work its magic for at least 30 minutes before rinsing. This simple ritual can lead to remarkable results over time, making it a favorite among those looking to enhance their hair health. But how often should this treatment be done? For optimal results, applying this mask once a week can significantly enhance hair growth. Consistency is key. Regular use allows the nutrients to penetrate deeply into the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive the nourishment they need to thrive. Now, let's explore the science behind these ingredients. Castor oil's unique composition not only nourishes, but also helps to combat dandruff and dry scalp, creating an ideal environment for hair to flourish. The retinoic acid in castor oil possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the scalp, reducing irritation and promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. Meanwhile, rosemary oil is rich in antioxidants, which protect hair from damage and promote overall scalp health. The antioxidants present in rosemary oil help to neutralize free radicals, which can lead to premature hair loss. Additionally, rosemary oil is known to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, which is crucial for delivering nutrients to hair follicles. The benefits don't stop there. Regular use of this powerful duo can lead to thicker, fuller hair, reduced hair loss, and even improved scalp health. It's no wonder that many are turning to these natural remedies instead of harsh chemicals. Unlike many commercial hair products that may contain sulfates and parabens, castor oil and rosemary offer a gentle, effective alternative that nourishes without harmful additives. For those who may be skeptical about the effectiveness of these ingredients, numerous testimonials from users highlight their success stories. Many have reported noticeable improvements in hair thickness and overall health after incorporating castor oil and rosemary into their routines. As the video nears its conclusion, remember to check out our other video, 8 Reasons to Take Castor Oil Before Bed, for more insights on how to incorporate this versatile oil into your nightly routine. This additional resource can provide even more ways to utilize castor oil for overall wellness, making it a valuable addition to anyone's health regimen. In summary, castor oil and rosemary are not just trendy ingredients. They are time-tested solutions for those seeking to enhance their hair growth journey. By harnessing their combined power, individuals can unlock the secret to healthier, more vibrant hair. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey to beautiful hair today. Embrace the natural approach and witness the transformation. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.